Have you ever wondered how you can make money from your car without actually selling it? Well, here's a fun fact. Your car can be more than just a mode of transportation. It can be a source of income too. How, you ask? The answer is Rapify. Rapify, in a nutshell, is a platform that allows you to turn your vehicle into a moving billboard. It's a unique way to earn a little extra cash while you're out and about on your daily commute. And the best part? You don't need to be a marketing genius or a sales professional to get started. In this video, we'll guide you through the ins and outs of Rapify. We'll explain how it operates, how you can get started, and share some valuable tips and tricks to maximize your earnings. So buckle up and get ready for an informative ride. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of making money from your car using Rapify. Scene script. First and foremost, what exactly is Rapify? Well, let's dive right into it. Rapify is an innovative company that has transformed the advertising industry. They've taken the concept of mobile advertising to a new level by paying drivers to become moving billboards. Yes, you heard that right. Rapify is essentially a platform that allows you to earn money simply by wrapping your car in eye-catching advertisements. But how does Rapify work? It's quite simple, really. After signing up and getting approved, Rapify connects drivers with companies looking to advertise their products or services. The driver's car is then professionally wrapped in high-quality, vibrant vinyl graphics that showcase the advertiser's message. Once the car is wrapped, the driver goes about their normal routine. Commuting to work, dropping the kids off at school, heading to the grocery store, every mile driven is a potential opportunity to earn. And here's the best part. The amount you can earn varies based on a few factors like the size of the wrap, the length of the campaign, and even where you drive. There are 3 levels of wraps: light, partial, and full, each offering different compensation rates. The more of your car that's covered, the more you earn. So, what are the benefits of using Rapify? Firstly, it's an effortless way to make some extra cash without changing your routine. Secondly, it's a great way to offset the cost of car ownership. Think about it. Fuel costs, insurance, maintenance, these can all add up. But with Rapify, your car isn't just a vehicle, it's a revenue generator. And finally, it's a fun and unique way to stand out on the road. The beauty of Rapify lies in its simplicity. You drive, they pay. It's that straightforward. And with thousands of drivers already on board, Rapify is rapidly growing, making it an exciting platform to be part of. Now that we understand what Rapify is, let's move on to how you can start making money with this service. So, you've decided to give Rapify a try. What's the first step? Well, it all starts with downloading the Rapify app. You'll find it in the App Store if you're an Apple user, or the Google Play Store if you're more of an Android person. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to sign up. Signing up for Rapify is a breeze. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, address, and driving license details. Make sure to keep your driving license handy, as you'll need to upload a clear photo of it. You'll also need to fill in some details about your vehicle, such as its make, model, and year of manufacture. Now here's the important part. You can't just sign up and expect to start earning money right away. You need to qualify for a campaign. But don't start biting your nails just yet. Qualifying isn't as tough as it sounds. Firstly, your car needs to be in good condition. It doesn't have to be a Ferrari, but it should be free from major dents and scratches. Secondly, you need to be an active driver, covering a decent number of miles regularly. If you only use your car to drive to the grocery store once a week, you might not make the cut. Thirdly, you need to have a clean driving record. A couple of parking tickets won't disqualify you, but if you have a history of reckless driving, you might need to clean up your act before you can qualify. And lastly, your location matters. Rapify campaigns are location-specific. If you live in a city where a campaign is running, you have a higher chance of qualifying. Once you've met all these criteria, you can apply for a campaign. Just tap on the Apply button on the app, choose the campaign you're interested in, and wait for approval. Remember, qualifying for a campaign is not a guarantee that you'll be selected. The final decision lies with the advertiser. But don't lose heart if you don't make it the first time. Keep applying and you'll get there. Once you've qualified for a campaign, you're on your way to making money with Rapify. You've qualified for a campaign, so how do you start earning money? Well, now that you're all set with Rapify, it's time to dive into the exciting part, making money. First things first, your car needs to be wrapped. Rapify will handle this process entirely for you. They'll connect you with professional installers who will apply the advertisement wrap to your car. This process is quick and hassle-free, usually taking just a few hours. Once your car is all dressed up in its new ad wrap, you're ready to hit the road. Now here's the fun part. You start driving. Every mile you cover with your wrapped car is a mile you're getting paid for. You're essentially turning your daily commute into a money-making journey. Whether you're driving to work, running errands, or just cruising around town, you're earning. But how are these earnings calculated? It's quite simple. Rapify uses a per-mile rate to calculate your earnings. This rate varies depending on factors like the location and duration of the campaign, the coverage level of your wrap, and the time of day you drive. In essence, the more you drive, the more you earn. You might be wondering, when do I get paid? Rapify pays drivers on a bi-weekly basis. You'll receive a direct deposit into your bank account every 2 weeks. This means you don't have to wait until the end of a campaign to see your earnings. It's also important to note that your earnings are tracked through the Rapify app. This app shows your daily earnings, the miles you've covered, and even provides a heat map showing where you've driven. It's a great way to monitor your progress and earnings in real time, and there you have it. That's how you earn money with Rapify. You get your car wrapped, you drive, and you get paid. It's a straightforward and fun way to monetize your daily commute or any other driving you do. As you can see, earning money with Rapify is as simple as driving your car. Are you looking to maximize your earnings with Rapify? Here are a few tips. One of the most effective ways to increase your earnings is by driving during peak times. This is when the roads are busiest and more eyes are on your car. Think about it. The more people that see your car, the more impressions you're making, and the more money you're likely to earn. So, consider adjusting your driving schedule to coincide with rush hours in the morning and evening. Next, let's talk about location. Driving in busy areas can significantly boost your earnings. High-traffic locations such as city centers, shopping districts, and popular event venues are prime spots for advertising. The more populated the area, the higher the potential for impressions. So why not take a scenic drive through the city center or swing by the local mall during your free time? Not only will you get to explore your city, but you'll also be making money while doing so. Now, maintaining the wrap on your car is another crucial aspect to consider. The better the condition of your wrap, the more effective your advertising will be. Therefore, regular cleaning is a must. Avoid harsh chemicals or high-pressure washes that could damage the wrap. Stick to gentle car wash soap and soft cloths. Also, try to park in shaded areas whenever possible to prevent sun damage. And lastly, don't overlook the power of referrals. Rapify has a referral program that can add a significant boost to your earnings. By referring others to join Rapify, you can earn a referral bonus for each person who signs up and wraps their car. It's a win-win situation. It's worth noting that while these tips can help increase your earnings, they don't guarantee a specific income. Earnings with Rapify can vary based on a number of factors, including the number of miles you drive and the location in which you drive. With these tips, you can maximize your earnings and get the most out of your Rapify experience. Remember, every mile counts, so make the most of your journeys. Happy driving. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money from your car with Rapify. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of Rapify, understanding what it is. A platform that allows you to earn money by wrapping your car with advertisements. We dove into how to get started, discussing the process from signing up to getting your car wrapped and then hitting the road. We highlighted the potential to earn money, underscoring that your earnings depend on factors like the size of your car, the coverage of the wrap, and the distance you drive. Finally, we shared some useful tips to maximize your earnings, such as driving during peak hours and in high-traffic areas. All of these points together create a roadmap for you to start earning with Rapify, so next time you're on the road, remember, you could be making money with every mile you drive with Rapify.